Hello and namaste everyone. Myself Nilesh Kumar Jha. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see the limits of measurement of building works. While estimating and costing, see some of the measurements. What should be their accuracy? What should be their limits? What should be their precision? So in this video, we will see the limits of measurement according to SP 27 1987.
हे
हे प्रभु
हे प्रभु
हे हरिनाम कृष्ण जगन्नाथ प्रेमानंद ये क्या हुआ।
But before that, let us see some standard limits that we see in every books, but we do not have sources to verify them. So what are these and where can we find about all these things? So in number one, the dimensions shall be measured to the nearest 0.01 meter except for. So all the dimensions like length, breadth, height, thickness, everything shall be measured to the nearest of 0.01 meter except for number A, thickness of slab or RCC slab which shall be measured to nearest 0.005 meter, woodwork to nearest 0.002 meter or simply you can say 2 millimeters, steelwork to nearest 0.001 meter and the reinforcement to nearest 0.005 meter. Similarly, the thickness of road work where the thickness is less than 20 centimeter. The thickness of road work where the thickness of this road work is less than 20 centimeter, then the thickness shall be measured to nearest of 0.005 meter. So we have many others, but these are some standard and generally used. And number two, areas. This was for dimensions, length, breadth, height, thickness. And in number two, we have about areas. The area shall be worked out to the nearest 0.01 square meter. Okay, here is 0.01 meter. This is the general, but these are the exceptions where the dimensions is not nearest to 0.01. These all are the exceptions. Similarly, in areas, the generally what we measure to the nearest 0.01 square meter, but for steel work, areas excluding cross-sectional measurements shall be worked out to nearest 0.001 square meter. Similarly, for the cubic contents now, the cubic content shall be worked out to nearest 0.01 cubic meter, but for woodwork shall be worked out to nearest of 0.001 cubic meter and weight shall be worked out to nearest 1 kg. Okay, so unless anything is stated, what we have the dimensions that shall be measured to the nearest 0.01 meter, then areas to the nearest 0.01 square meter, and the cubic content to the nearest of 0.01 cubic meter. But if anything is stated like for the woodwork we will use 0.002 meter or 2 mm, or for the thickness of slab we will use 0.005 meter. These are for dimensions. So similarly in the areas for steel work we have 0.001 square meter. Now let us see from where these values comes. So here it is mentioned SP 27 1987. This is a handbook actually, and the data in SP 27 1987 are all worked out from the original code. So we will see the original code also and this handbook also. See, I have a PDF here that I have downloaded from Google only. We have SP 27 1987. This is the handbook of method of measurement of building works. This is the first revision, that is handbook of method of measurement of building works. Here you can see the name SP 27 1987. So this is its name, and everything that this handbook contains are taken from the main IS code. Like we have here the IS 1200 part 9 1973. This is for roof covering. Similarly, IS 1200 part 8, this is for steel work and iron work. Similarly, we have here IS 1200 part 5, this is for form work. Similarly, IS 1200 part 4, this is for stone masonry. Part 3 for brick work. Here part 2 for concrete work and part 1 for earthwork, and we have so many parts of this IS 1200, and these all codes are contained by IS 20 sorry SP 27 1987. So let us first see the content here. Here is the content we have about the materials, then earthwork, foundation, concrete works, brickwork, stone masonry, form work, woodwork and joinery, steel work and iron work, hardware, glazing, everything is contained in this handbook. So it will be better than referring this handbook rather than referring all these standard codes. Here in the subsection 1a we have the terminology. If you don't know about any of these terms, then you can see or you can refer these terms in this code. And then in subsection 1b we have the rules for rounding of values, how to round off the values. Then we have general provisions applicable to all sections. We don't require this right now. And this is about the material, which is left blank here. Method of measurements of materials. This is a measurement of materials like aggregates, brick or a stone of 40 nominal size and above in cubic meter after making a deduction of 7.5% from stack measurements. And as for the type, here is about the measurement of materials. If you want to refer anything, you can refer from here, like plywood is measured in square meter stating type and thickness. Similarly, brick or brick tiles enumerated stating class and size. The bricks are measured in numbers, but their class should be stated there. Okay, so we have so many materials here. But we are not interested in this. We are interested from here, from section 3, in the earthwork. Here you can see the general rules are mentioned there. In 2.1 we have measurements. Unless otherwise stated here, in after all work shall be measured net in decimal system as fixed. Each dimension shall be measured to the nearest 0.01 meter. Where any dimension is more than 25 meter, it should be measured to the nearest 0.1 meter. If any dimension is greater than 25 meter, then it should be measured nearest to 0.1 meter. Otherwise, each dimension shall be measured to the nearest 0.01 meter. Similarly, the area shall be worked out to the nearest 0.01 square meter, and the cubical content shall be worked out to the nearest 0.01 cubic meter. So this is as the general about any other things. And now we have foundations. We will not see about this foundation. Here is about the pile foundation. In pile foundation you can see the measurements. If you want to study in detail, you can refer this code. Linear dimension 0.01 meter, area is 0.01 square meter, and the cubic content 0.01 cubic meter, so no change. Here is the well foundation. In well foundation also the measurements are the same. Linear dimension 0.01 meter, areas nearest to 0.01 square meter, and the cubic contents nearest to 0.01 cubic meter. Similarly for the concrete works, now here you can see the concrete works. In the concrete works, see the dimensions. Unless otherwise stated, all works shall be measured net in decimal system as fixed in this place. In this place has given 2.2.1 to 2.2.3. Any work done extra over the specified dimensions shall be ignored. So in 2.2.1 to 2.2.3 you can see all the dimensions specified. So here the dimensions shall be measured to the nearest 0.01 meter, which is general, except for the thickness of slab, which shall be measured to nearest 0.005 meter. So this is for the slab 0.005 meter, the general is 0.01 meter, and for the slab is 0.005 meter. Here we saw na thickness of slab measured nearest to 0.005 meter. The same thing is given here in code also. Now for the areas is same as the general. Area shall be worked out to nearest 0.01 square meter, and the cubic content also, that is the same 0.01 cubic meter. So this was for the concrete work. And now we will move to brickwork. Okay, In brickwork, let us see the measurement. Here is the measurement. Brickwork shall generally be measured in cubic meters unless otherwise stated. If anything is not stated, we will measure the brickwork in cubic meter. But if anything measured like walls 1 brick thick and less shall each be measured separately in square meters stating thickness. If the brick is a half brick wall, okay, less than full brick wall, then that should be measured in square meters, but the thickness of that wall should be stated there. Walls exceeding 1 brick thick but not exceeding 3 bricks in thickness shall be measured in multiples of half brick, which shall be deemed to be inclusive of mortar joints where fractions of half brick occur due to architectural or other reasons. Measured shall be taken as follows: up to 1 by 4 brick. Actual measurement and exceeding 1 by 4 brick is full half brick. For walling which is more than 3 bricks in thickness, actual thickness of wall shall be measured. No deductions or additional shall be made in any account. Ends of dissimilar materials. We will see all these things in coming videos. Now we will move to another section. In the another section, we have the stone masonry. In the stone masonry, here we have the measurement. Stated stone masonry generally measured in cubic meters and face work in square meters. If the face work is done using the stone, that should be measured in square meter, and any other things but not stated any extra, then that should be measured in cubic meters. Again, now we'll move to formwork here. In the formwork, here are the measurements. All work shall be measured net in decimal system as fixed in its place as given in 2.2.1 and 2.2.2. Dimensions shall be measured up to nearest 0.01 meter, and the area shall be worked out to the nearest 0.01 square meter. There is a no cubical content in formwork because the measurement of formwork is generally a square meter. Now the woodwork and joinery. In the woodwork and joinery, what we have seen here, woodwork to nearest of 0.002 meter or 2 mm. Yeah, so let us see. Here is the measurement unless otherwise stated. Okay, length and width shall be measured to nearest 0.001 meter, but width of single or detached planks shall however be measured to the nearest 2 mm. 2 mm is 0.002 meter. Here what we have seen here, 0.002 meter or 2 mm. Thickness shall be measured to the nearest 2 mm. Okay, now the scantlings, battens and box shall however be measured to the nearest 2 mm in each cross-sectional dimension. If you want to know about scantlings, battens and box, you can see in its terminologies. And in 2.2.2 we have area shall be worked out to the nearest 0.01 square meter, and the cubical content shall be worked out to the nearest 0.001 cubic meter. Here we can see the cubic content shall be worked out to the nearest 0.01 cubic meter except for woodwork, that should be worked out to the nearest 0.001 cubic meter. So only this thing we are seeing here in the code, the cubical content shall be worked out to the nearest 0.001 cubic meter. And now if you move further, you can see the steel work and iron work. Here are the dimensions. Excepting cross section and thickness of plate shall be measured to nearest 0.001 meter except for reinforcement, which shall be measured to nearest 0.005 meter. In case of plate, excepting the thickness and cross section, all the dimensions should be measured to the nearest 0.001 meter, and for the reinforcement 0.005 meter. Same thing we have seen here. Steel work to the nearest 0.001 meter and reinforcement to nearest 0.005 meter. Areas shall be worked out to the nearest 0.001 square meter. Here for steel work, areas excluding cross sectional measurements shall be worked out to the nearest 0.001 square meter. And now weights shall be worked out to nearest 1 kg. In case of steel work and iron work, the weights shall be worked out to the nearest of 1 kg. Now again, if we move further, we can see the hardware. Here are the measurement of size and sizes of hardware. We will not see about all these things in this video. If you want, we can make another part, so please comment if you want the next part of this video. Paving, floor finishes, dado and skirting. Here is the roof covering. About roof covering, if you want to know, like asbestos cement sheet roofing, metal sheet roofing, about anything, if you want to know, you can visit this code or you can read this code in detail. Next we have sealing and lining, then we have plastering and pointing. So in the plastering, we one important term here is deduction. So about the deduction, you can get all the details here. And now what we want is we want to see all the road works. So we will move here in section 22, road work including airfield pavement about the runway. So here's the measurement. All work shall be measured net in decimal system fixed in its place subject to the following limits unless otherwise stated. Length and width shall be measured to the nearest 0.01 meter. The thickness shall be measured to the nearest 0.005 meter or nearest to specified tolerances, whichever is less. Area shall be worked out to the nearest 0.01 square meter and the cubic content shall be worked out to the nearest 0.01 cubic meter. Okay, now this was the general methods of measurement in building works. Now if you want more about all these things, then please comment here, or you can yourself visit, or you can yourself see this code SP27 1987. This is the first revision of SP27 1984. And now and if you want to get the standard code, a standard is code, then you can download from the Google every part of is 1200, is 1200 part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4. There are so many parts of this code, so you can see that also. But if you want to see all these things in a single handbook, then you can download SP27 1987. I hope you like the videos, and if you really liked it, please hit the like button, and if you are new to the channel, then please hit the subscribe button and share with your friends too. Thanks for watching.